Okay, so we're having a hooch breakfast session with our little girl breakfast session. What do you say, big boy? Again, we got to place the food all the way in the back of his mouth. He's not actually chewing, he's just kind of trying to funnel it into the back of his mouth. And our little one here is just working it with that tongue. Just working it. Good boy, Hooch. You can see he drools quite a bit. Good boy. Couldn't get too much more different than these two. No tongue, only a tongue. No tongue, only a tongue. Yeah, little girl. She's making it work though. Handling her business.